If you're considering HighLevel in 2026, here's the most important thing I can tell you. HighLevel is an incredibly powerful platform, but I do think everybody should be using it. If you are an agency, consultant, or a business that generate leads and need to follow up, book appointments, and automate communication, manage customers, HighLevel can potentially replace a huge part of your software stack. But if all you need is a basic website or a simple marketing tool, it could honestly be a complete overkill. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what HighLevel actually does, who I think should use it and who shouldn't, what it actually costs, and what I would do if I was starting with HighLevel today. And if you do decide it right for you, I'll show you the training, the templates, and support I've built inside HighLevel Lab to help you actually implement it. Now, the biggest mistake is looking at HighLevel is just another CRM or a funnel builder. I think HighLevel is more like an operating system behind your marketing and sales. You can capture and manage your leads, communicate through channels like emails, SMS, and phone. You could book appointments with your inbuilt calendar inside HighLevel, which generates all your appointments and create a stack of it. It would automate all your follow-ups, calendar reminders, payment purchases, and lead follow-ups to grow your business. And you could also build websites, landing pages, and funnels. And now they've also introduced AI solutions. The actual track leads through the sales process. But here's the important part. You shouldn't buy HighLevel because it has 50 different features. You should buy it though because features can solve one expensive problem in your business. And let me show you what I mean. Now, I want to show you why the HighLevel entire system is so powerful. Guess what? You're operating a roofing business and a lead comes in to your website at 9 p.m. They check your website and you have a stunning website that you created inside HighLevel's website builder using their AI tool, and guess what? It looks absolutely stunning. You build credibility authority instantly, and then they want to schedule an appointment with you. They either go to the contact us page and fill out this form, or they come to your chatbot, and guess what? This is an AI-powered conversation chatbot installed live inside your website, powered by the HighLevel backend solution. And guess what? The AI starts chatting with you just like a human normally would do, but not at 9 p.m. Because AI can do it 24/7, and then it asks all the relevant questions, every single detail that you need in order to book an appointment. And guess what? It then also offers the appointment date and time available inside your calendar so that it can schedule you to inspect for their queries. And guess what? This is exactly what happens. And then it schedules an appointment at the right time, date, based on the customer's requirement. And once that happens, you directly go to the contact us section. And guess what? In the contact section, all of your leads, opportunities, everything gets stored here. Right? The moment they get added here, you get to have multiple automation getting fired up at an instant in order to ensure that you have multiple follow-ups, reminders, nurture sequences so that you can focus on growing your business while automation is taken care by HighLevel itself. And guess what? These are amazing sequences and beautiful creation of automation that is literally built inside HighLevel from scratch. And guess what? You could create it with AI and with yourself as well, depending on whatever use case that you can think inside your mind. Not just that, everything here gets tracked inside our opportunity section, where you could visually see every single lead going from one stage to the other, all of that directly with the system of automation, and you do not have to manually literally do anything at all. Now, this is the reason why you should be using HighLevel. Now, let me tell you one thing. Who should not use this amazing software like HighLevel? If you just want a simple website, or you already have a simple email marketing tool and you're good with it, you don't really have to use HighLevel just because everybody is using it or it's all really very popular. If your team loves your current marketing tool that's already there and you do not have a reason to create this entire AI automation system that can grow your business, then don't really need it. But if you are serious about growing your business, create amazing solutions, marketing solutions like your premium websites, landing pages, automation, AI-powered solutions, right? And you want to have your capture, nurture, close sequence, right? Evangelize sequence and reactivate sequence, everything built inside one platform, which can take care of everything, which is headed by these top 3 amazing CEOs, then this is what you need. But let me tell you one thing. This might be a bit confusing because it covers a lot of tools and costs really less. Now let's cover the pricing and whether it's the right fit for you, and I'll guide you based on 5 years of my experience and working with hundreds of clients as to which pricing is most suited for you. Guess what? It replaces HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, WordPress, Shopify, JotForms, MailChimp, Calendly, Keep, Jasper, Yext, Kajabi, School, Birdeye, DocuSign, and literally so much. Not just that, it also has AI-powered solution that you really need in order to grow your business, which can completely automate it even when you are not there. So this is the reason why they have 3 most popular plans that I always recommend, and I'm going to give you my best solution for it. But before I do so, I want to show it to you what exactly do you get when you become part of HighLevel through my affiliate link. The moment you join HighLevel through my link, you get to be a part of my premium community with which you can get access to my free HighLevel AI software business starter kit. Not just that, you also get access to my premium community with these particular solution, right? You get 10 plus snapshot in action already, 20 plus niches and 50 plus AI templates, right? You get to have access to our premium HighLevel community, one-on-one onboarding coaching, weekly live sessions that we happen every single week, high-level technical mastery courses and training and tutorials, high-level business growth courses helping you understand how to build a brand online on HighLevel, 10 loaded snapshots that are already currently work in progress, 20 plus business niches covered as well as guided videos, 50 plus AI templates which is currently under production and we've already released at least 30 of them, pre-built marketing funnels and ad templates so that you can launch it within an hour and not within a month, email snippets and SMS snippets so that you can actually use them, pre-created forms and surveys which already come in hand, and imported automations to launch your business right away. Guess what? The total value of $11,674 comes to you for absolutely free because you start your HighLevel journey with Pritam. If you're excited to start here, you can click on this link below, and guess what? This gets you to an exclusive opportunity. If you just sign up with the HighLevel directly, guess what happens? They only give you an access to a 14-day free trial. But if you sign up through my link, you get access to a 30-day free trial along with a free live bootcamp to launch HighLevel with the HighLevel team itself. How amazing that is. Now let me show it to you what kind of free community do you get access to. Now this is the free community that you get access to, and guess what? We already have crossed 300 members and there are more membership pending there. Not just that, you get access to my premium community, and this is where the magic happens because this is where we do live sessions every single week. Not just that, you have a lot of training sessions that I have creatively developed for my community members, like HighLevel account setup, voice AI tutorial, conversation AI bot, AI studio, AI prompts, marketing SaaS agency snapshot, real estate snapshot, home service snapshot, and coaching Q&A call trainings. Not just that, we are also having every single week an hourly session so that I can teach you, learn you, and coach you, and you can ask me questions based on whatever you think is needed in your business. All of this gets covered inside my premium community if you join through my link below. Now let me show you the 3 plans that HighLevel has. Again, super important plans right here, which is $97 per month. It gets you access to around 3 sub accounts, but you get unlimited contacts, unlimited users, and 24/7 support, and all of the features that HighLevel has. But if you truly want to excel in what you're doing, you should have access to unlimited number of accounts, and that's exactly when the unlimited plan of $297 makes the most sense. This is where you could white label it and sell it to as many number of people as you want for as much amount as you want, starting from $97 to literally $3,000, $5,000 every single month, depending on the value you provide apart from the software. You also get to choose your agency pro plan at $497, but I would not recommend it at this time of starting. Rather, I recommend it at $297 per month because this is where you get to have multiple accounts for your own business. And guess what? When the time is right, you could ask this question inside our community, and I'll suggest with you whether you should be upgrading at $497. Let me tell you one thing. You get access to me, my community members, and all the benefits and features which I showed it to you, including my live training, only when you sign up to my affiliate link that's in the description as well as in the comments. And guess what? This is a risk-free 30-day free trial that you have access to. Now, this is a reason, ladies and gentlemen, you should be using HighLevel. Now, let me give you the verdict inside my private community itself. Now, if you are a serious business owner who's looking to leverage AI, marketing solutions, follow-up sequences, automation tutorials, and everything required in order to completely automate and grow your business with less amount of people and effort, then this is the best solution of HighLevel available to you. If you're looking for a one-off website or a one-off email marketing tool, HighLevel is not your solution, unfortunately. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, I'm really happy to help you out on this. Thank you for watching the video, and I have more tutorials coming up. Click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and get access to a ton of tutorials to grow your business. And I'll see you in the next video.